What's up, you guys? So we got a huge upgrade new for the 4Runner with total protection. Can you guess what it is? Any guesses what we got for total protection on the interior? Let me show you. Check it out. So yeah, this is the total protection we got. Lasfit sent out some brand new floor liners for the 4Runner, and let's get this installed. This video is brought to you by Lasfit. Here's the passenger, driver side. Let's pull these out of here. Man, look at that coverage. Total coverage. Look at that. The factory one stopped like right here and didn't even go back that far in there. Most floor liners, this is just left open right there. Water, junk still will get down here. But with Lasfit, you got the covers. Pop that in. Complete coverage. Just like that, done. Now let's get passenger out. Look at that, total coverage, man. As easy as that, install. Complete coverage now for the front of the 4Runner. We're getting total protection by Lasfit. Let's get these out of here. Easiest way is to push the seat all the way forward so you can get everything in good. Look at that. The door seal's protected. The edge up way higher. Protection from, people sitting in the back seat will have their shoes right here. Before, the stock ones stop here. All this would get dirty right here still. So we got this extended edge for shoes of passengers. Way more protection, guys. And for a bonus, you guys, we have the cargo mat and the seat back cover. As easy as that. Total coverage. I mean, it's in there really good, sealed well, all the way to the plastic, all the way around. You get full total coverage. And then also on the back of the seats. So for the seat back cover, it just sticks on the back. We have Velcro all the way around, so it's not gonna come up anywhere. Just like that. I recommend you guys get this from Lasfit. They really are the best floor mats you can get, and get the cargo cover with it. I hope you enjoyed the install video. If you have any questions, just ask in the comments. Check out my description for discount to Lasfit, 15% off, code BLUESTI. Links will be in the description so you guys can order this if you want, because it's the best one you can get. Please like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for more Toyota content.